Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to crop image in circle shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to crop image into circle shape. At first, go to the insert menu, select the shape drop down menu and select the circle or the oval shape. Now I am draw the circle shape, press and hold Shift on our keyboard, select the circle shape, go to the shape format menu, choose shape fill and select the picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Then select the image and click insert. Then select the image and click the shape format menu, choose shape outline, make no outline. Go to the picture format and select the crop option and crop the picture. You can resize the picture into this circle shape. Click outside. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.